Let's look at yet another JAMB 2025 mathematics question. The question here says express 495 grams as a percentage of 16.5 kilogram. Okay, how do we solve this question? First things first, if you look at this solution, so the first thing to observe here is that if you look at this, we have two kinds of masses here. The first one is 495 gram. We have the first mass, 495 gram, and we're given a second mass there. The second mass there is 16.5 kilogram. 16.5 in kilogram. The first thing to observe here is the fact that both of them are not in the same unit. Okay, so my first task would be express both of them in the same unit. Let's express both of them in grams. This is 495 already in grams, and to convert from kilogram to grams, we'll multiply by 1000. So it becomes 16.5 kilo is times 10 to the power 3 gram. So we have this. And if I do this, so I'm having this as 495 gram. And in terms of gram, would have that 16.5 kilogram or 16.5 times 10 to the power 3 is simply equal to 16,500. This in gram. All right. So they are asking us to express 495 gram as a percentage of 16,500 gram. So how do we do that? So to solve this, let's call the particular percentage x. So say let the 495 gram percentage of 16,500 gram, that's after the conversion, be x. Let's call that percentage x. Okay, let it be x. So what do we have here? It means that 495 will be equal to x percentage of the 16,500. That's the concept. So you ask to express 495 as a percentage of this. So that's my simple expression. Okay, so how do I solve this? So how do I solve this? I'll write this in equation format. So I'll be having 495 as being equal to x percentage is equal to x over 100. Okay, so if you say 2%, it means 2 over 100. If you say 5%, is 5 over 100. If you say 80%, is 80 over 100. Hence, if you say x percent, is x over 100. When we say off is most likely multiplication, then we have this as 16,500. Now with this, we've expressed this one here in terms of a mathematical format. Okay, now from this, what we have here in solving this becomes 495 would be equal to, of course, I'll multiply x with 16,500, so it becomes 16,500x all divided by 100. That's your denominator, divided by 100. At this point, we can now cross multiply. So this times 1 becomes 16,500x multiplied by 1. It's equal to this times this. That's 495 times 100. Okay. All right, let's solve this. So multiplying this by 1 gives you 16,500 times x is 16,500x is equal to 495 multiplied by 100 gives you 49500. So we have this. All right, let's get the value of x from this question. To get the value of x, I'll have to divide here and also divide here by the coefficient of x, which is 16,500. Divide this by 16,500. This will cancel this. So it means that x is equal to, I have 49500 divided by 16,500. and this is equal to 3. So x percent, so when we say x percent would be equal to 3% since x is equal to 3. That's how we solve this. Let's check the option. Which of them rhymes with this? If you look at this, option A rhymes with the answer, which is 3%. So basically, this is how we solve this particular question. Okay. Now let me leave you a task. Here's your task. Here's your question here. Express 500 grams as a percentage of 25 kilogram. All right, so using the method I just did, solve this question on your own and leave your answer in the comment section, and I'll tell you if you're correct. Okay, so solve this question, leave your answer in the comment section, and I'll tell you if your answer is correct or not. All right guys, so if you enjoyed this video, as usual, hit the like button. Also like this video, leave a comment. For your comment, provide the answer to the question in the comment section, and I'll tell you if you're correct or not. Do well to subscribe. If it's your first time here, or if you're yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Select all so that you get notified whenever we upload new content. Then finally, share this video to your friends so they can also learn. Okay? Don't forget to join my channel membership to get access to exclusive content. So I have exclusive content for just channel members. I'll leave a link to join the channel membership in the video description. You can also check out my website www.jonahemmanuel.com/courses to check the available courses, and also www.jonahemmanuel.com/books to get the available books. Register an account to the website, and then you can now proceed to get any of the available courses or books. As usual, thank you for your support and see you in our next tutorial class.